Hi, my name is Jacob, and this is my wife Shannon, and we purchased the 320 at Crown Point. We were looking for more space in our home than what we currently had, and we loved the size of these homes in the bedrooms. We were really excited to upgrade. My favorite feature of the 320 was the 3-car wide garage, so it's a little bit wider for having more vehicles in the driveway, more parking, and then plus the garage is just huge.
I really like the open floor plan in the 320. It expands, dining room, living room, kitchen, and we want to entertain. We want everyone to be able to come to our house and feel at home.
We just like the area. We like being close to the mall. We like being close to the grocery store. We have family around. It's just a very nice and quiet area to live in. It's nice to be able to just have to walk the kids to school and not just send them on a bus and just get to know other parents as they're walking to school. That's a really neat thing to see too. Our kids are going to love the
tricycle raceway. Our son's a big, wanting to race on anything and everything. So he'll love doing that with other kids and even his sister. We chose the Superflex great room. So there's a double-sided fireplace and it's open on the other end. He likes to have the guys over, but we also want to be included. So it kind of was
Yeah, it was kind of a nice balance because, like, for example, me and the guys, we can have the fights on in the back side of the room, and then the girls can be watching HGTV or whatever they like to watch, and and still be separate but together. So I thought that was a really, really cool feature of that home. We just love having a huge island because a lot of times we sit there and eat at the island, so it's kind of nice to have like that extra just surface area to just hang out together in the kitchen.
Yep, I see lots of meals and homework and crafts and family time around that island.
We're looking forward to lots of barbecues and Christmas and holidays all at the house. So we have a lot of family coming from out of town, so it's just nice to accommodate everybody. When we walked into the 320, just the size of the living room and the kitchen and just how much entertainment area that house offered, we just fell in love with it.
We walked in the doors and he said, "Okay, we're home." That's all it took.
We're really looking forward to just making it home because this is going to be our forever home, raising the kids in, and it's just really exciting.